Hey everybody, and let me tell you, I love a good pineapple. Smoothies, upside-down cake, grilled with a little teriyaki, I'm there. Pineapples are not just delicious, they're incredibly versatile. But even I had to admit, there's a lot about pineapples I didn't know. For instance, did you know that pineapples were once so rare and expensive that people would rent them just to show off at parties? Did you know they can take years to grow? It can take up to 3 years for a pineapple plant to produce a single fruit. That's a lot of patience for one delicious reward. Or that they're not even technically a single fruit. Each pineapple is actually a collection of berries that have fused together. That's right, you're eating a whole bunch of tiny fruits every time you take a bite. We're diving deep into the wacky world of pineapples with 10 weird facts that'll have you saying, "Get out of here!" For example, did you know that pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain that can break down proteins? That's why your mouth might feel tingly after eating a lot of pineapple. Get ready to have your mind blown. Pineapples have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, believed to help with digestion and reduce inflammation. And here's a fun one. Pineapples were named after pine cones because of their similar appearance. So, buckle up and join me on this tropical adventure as we uncover more fascinating pineapple facts. We're talking about pineapples, people, not diamonds. But seriously, these things take their sweet time growing. Each plant only produces 1 pineapple a year, maybe 2 if you're lucky. That's why they can be a little pricey at the grocery store. Trust me, that farmer earned every penny. You know those spiky little eyes on a pineapple? Each one is a separate flower that fuses together to form the whole shebang. It's like a fruit party on a single stalk. So next time you're enjoying a slice, remember, you're basically eating a whole bouquet of fruity goodness. Ever wonder why your tongue feels a little tingly after a big bowl of pineapple? It's payback time, baby. Pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain that basically tries to break down proteins, including the ones in your mouth. Don't worry, it's totally harmless. Unless you're allergic, then maybe stick to apples. The OG status symbol. Back in the 1700s, if you wanted to impress your fancy friends, you didn't whip out the latest smartphone. Nope, you busted out a pineapple. This tropical fruit was the epitome of luxury and exclusivity. These things were so rare and expensive back then that they were like the ultimate symbol of wealth and hospitality. They'd even rent them out for parties. Can you imagine? Hey, can you pass the rented pineapple? The pineapple was more than just a fruit, it was a statement. A single pineapple could cost the equivalent of thousands of dollars today. It was a testament to one's social standing and ability to procure such an exotic item. Pineapples were imported from the Caribbean, and the journey was long and perilous. Many pineapples didn't survive the trip, making those that did even more valuable. The fruit became a centerpiece at grand feasts and celebrations, often displayed prominently to showcase the host's wealth and generosity. The pineapple's influence extended beyond the dining table. It inspired art, architecture, and even fashion. Pineapple motifs were carved into furniture, woven into fabrics, and painted in grand murals. Today, while pineapples are much more accessible, they still carry a sense of tropical luxury and hospitality. From home decor to fashion, the pineapple remains a beloved symbol. So next time you see a pineapple, remember its rich history as the ultimate status symbol. Whether in the 1700s or today, the pineapple continues to reign supreme. Pineapples don't grow in trees. I know. Mind blown, right? Unlike your typical apple or mango, pineapples grow on the ground, from the center of a leafy plant. They're kind of like giant, spiky berries. But don't let that fool you, they're still the kings and queens of the fruit aisle. Pineapple juice, the OG meat tenderizer. Forget those fancy marinades, pineapple juice is where it's at. That magical bromelain enzyme we talked about earlier, it doesn't just mess with your tongue, it also breaks down tough meat fibers, making it tender and juicy. So next time you're grilling, add a splash of pineapple juice to your marinade for an extra burst of flavor and tenderness. The gift that keeps on giving. Talk about sustainable. Did you know that you can actually regrow a pineapple from its top? Just chop off the leafy crown, let it dry out a bit, and stick it in some soil. With a little patience and TLC, you'll have a brand new pineapple plant in no time. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. The OG case of mistaken identity. So why is a pineapple called a pineapple when it's not even remotely related to pines or apples? Well, blame it on those wacky explorers. Back in the day, they thought it looked kind of like a pine cone and it tasted kind of like an apple. So they mashed the two words together and voila, the pineapple was born. Pineapples out of this world delicious. That's right, pineapples have boldly gone where no fruit has gone before, outer space. NASA loves sending these guys up with astronauts because they're packed with vitamin C and other nutrients that help keep those space travelers healthy. Plus, they add a little taste of home to those zero-gravity meals. Move over Hawaii, there's a new pineapple king in town. Aloha, Hawaii, more like Hola, Costa Rica. While Hawaii is definitely famous for its pineapples, it's actually Costa Rica that produces the most pineapples in the world. Something about that tropical climate and volcanic soil just makes those pineapples extra sweet and juicy. Pineapple. You glad you watched this video? We hope you enjoyed this fun and fruity journey through the world of pineapples. From their fascinating history to their surprising health benefits, there's so much to love about this tropical fruit. So there you have it, folks. Pineapples are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients and have a rich cultural significance. 10 weird and wonderful facts about pineapples that prove this fruit is anything but ordinary. Which fact surprised you the most? Pineapples are full of surprises. Have you ever tried growing your own pineapple? It's easier than you might think. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with pineapples, whether it's growing them, cooking with them, or just enjoying them as a tasty snack. Your stories and tips could inspire others to explore the wonderful world of pineapples. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Your support helps us create more fun and informative content. Plus, it lets us know that you love learning about amazing fruits like the pineapple. Subscribe to our channel for more fun food facts, recipes, and culinary adventures. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, stay fruity, my friends. Keep exploring, keep enjoying, and keep sharing the love for pineapples and all the wonderful foods out there. See you in the next video.